Hey guys, welcome to our new video. Today we have a 2008 Chevy Aveo and we are changing the whole cover gasket on this car because it's leaking oil. You can see, and from that side too. So the whole cover gasket is leaking, so we're gonna change this one. To change this one, we have to open engine cover. There are 4 bolts and we can use Allen key to open this up. It says 3/16, that Allen key we're gonna use to open this up. So let's open this. So after removing the engine cover, you can see so much oil over there. Yeah, there you go. Let me turn on the flash. Yeah, so as you can see, so much oil over there. So these are the ignition coil we're gonna remove. You can just pull it out like this. So just pull out all of them, and these are 10 mm or 12 mm screw. These one you have to open it to open the whole cover, but before that you have to remove that sensor so that you can pull that cover out. So you can use screwdriver to pull the pin back and then you can pull up. So once you take out all the ignition coil, you can pull this one out from here so that you can remove it from your way. You have to just pull it out. That's it. That's how you're gonna remove your ignition coils. And after that we have these 10 mm bolts which we have to remove, and we have to pinch this one out. You can use plier to pinch this and then you can push it back, then you can remove it. And one pipe over there, you can just simply push it back like this. So let's do it. So after removing all the bolts, you can just pick it up like this, and we have to just little bit jiggle it from here, right? So just be careful from that side. You have to just lift that thing a little bit up, and yeah, like this, and then you can pull it up. So that's our engine from inside. Once you remove the cover, you have to clean that area. You can use soap rag or paper towel or any cloth at your house to clean this up. And we have some oil in our plugs too. We're gonna clean this one too using a paper towel, or you can use paper towel. Just put it inside and then use plier to pull it out, and the water and the paper towel will soak all the oil. So make sure that area is clean. So let's clean this one first and remove all the oils from the plugs. So to clean this up, you can put paper like this and then insert inside and then push it down a little bit and see, it's cleaning now. So they looks clean now, but we're gonna open the spark plugs. So let's open it. I think it's gonna be 15 or 16 mm socket. Let's open the spark plugs. So to clean this one, after removing the plug, just put the paper and see, that's how dirt we have in our car. So just repeat the process again and again to clean all the plug. So after cleaning all the thing, you have to remove your gasket. That's your whole cover gasket. And see, that's it. That one is pretty hard, that's why it's leaking oil. So once you take it out, use a soap rag to clean this area and put a new gasket over there. So we already cleaned this one with a soap rag. It's pretty clean now. So we're gonna put our spark plugs back in these ones. Make sure you don't drop the plug like this. Use a plier, the long plier, to drop into this. So So you can use like this thing to put your plug back. So put all the plug back. So there is no numbering on 1 2 3 4, so you can just put it whatever plug you have and tighten them. And you guys have to change these rubbers too. You can use small screwdriver to pull these one out. It's pretty easy. And we already got these rubbers with your Volcar gasket, so you can use screwdriver and pull it like this. So that's our new Volcar gasket. We got it from Amazon. It says Fel Pro. So we're gonna install this one, and we have a small O-rings too, which we already removed, and we're gonna put over there. So let's do it. So to do this one, these things will go over there. No, on the other side. And yeah, it's gonna be like this. And you can start from one point and putting it like this. And don't stretch anything. You can put it like this and push this one. And there is no need to put any sealant on that because it's a pretty new, so I don't think so there is requirement to put sealant on this one. It's pretty OEM size, so yeah, make sure you check everything is seated properly. And so make sure you guys hold it so it doesn't fall. And to put this one, you have to put that part first, and you have to move a little bit. So once you put everything back, you have to jiggle it a little bit from that side, right? You have to just pull this up and then insert your wall cover gasket and then drop it on top of that. So before tightening the screw, make sure your wall cover gasket is properly aligned to the engine, and you have to just drop the screw. And first you have to hand tight this screw, and then we can torque it later on. So after putting all the screw back, we're gonna torque it down to 7.5 feet per lbs. So if you don't have a torque wrench, you can just hand tight it, or if you have a torque wrench, then yeah, it's 7.5 feet per lbs. You can torque it down. So once you are done, you have to put that hose back here, and one hose will go here like this. And after that we have to install our ignition coil. Just stay with me, I'll show you how to do it. So guys, before putting the ignition coil back, make sure you check the number. It says here 1 and 4, and it says 2 and 3, and these numbers are written on the ignition coil. So it says 3, so it will go here like this, and then it says 1 will go here on the other side. Make sure you put it in a correct order, otherwise your car gonna misfire. It says number 2 will go here, and that's number 4. So number 1 will go into this. You have to just insert it, and you're gonna hear a click. Number 2 will go here, and that's number 4, and that's number 3. And you can put these one like this. before we'll go here. So that's how you can change the wall cover gasket of your car. You have to just put the oil cap back, and you have, don't forget to put that sensor back. To put this one back, you have to just insert it, and you're gonna hear a click. So that's all, you can do it. So thank you so much for watching my video, guys. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Have a good one.